Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I still get a lot of people asking me about Windows 12, and will we have Windows 12 this year, of course 2025, because a lot of people are on the impression that, yeah, well, that probably is going to happen. Well, no, it won't, and this is pretty, I think everybody's pretty sure of that Windows 12 won't be a thing in 2025 or this year. The reason is simple. First of all, Microsoft's got to cope with a Windows 10 operating system that is crazy, insanely popular still as we are at the end of support year. And it doesn't seem that, it's going to lower that much. I think a lot of people will probably go on the let's buy the extended support for another year. And this means, well, that a lot of people are going to want to continue keeping their computer. Remember that Windows 12, if it happens at some point, will have at least the same minimum requirements as Windows 11, meaning, you'll need a new PC anyways. If you're not compatible. The other thing also is that Microsoft will not announce any Windows 12 for a very simple reason. They don't want Windows 10 users jumping and skipping over Windows 11. They don't want that to happen because if they do announce there's a new Windows coming, what's going to happen is that they will, Windows 10 users that don't want 11 will be saying, well, now I have an option. I can wait and I'll skip over. Remember, Windows versions over the last, versions, pretty much people have always that I skip over a version. So, Windows XP users jumped over Vista and went to 7. And 7 users jumped over 8 and went to 10. And so now we're at that version of, well, maybe I should skip 11 and go to 12. So that is also a reason why you will not hear anything about Windows 12 from Microsoft this year. The other thing also is the big push to AI that unfortunately a lot of people don't want. And I think Microsoft is not listening. They don't really want, they want AI to be the big push and recall to be a feature, and they're just not listening to anyone. It's obvious that people would be moving on maybe faster if there were quite a few things that Microsoft changed. An example, I'm pretty sure that we wouldn't be talking that much about Windows 10 with such a high market share if they didn't have that, crazy minimum requirement. We would be probably past the 50% mark in Windows 11 if that was the case, which means, Windows 10 would be actually going away on its own. But that minimum requirement is one of the major reasons people have not moved on. There's a lot of negativity on Windows 11 24 H2 because there was a lot of little things that were broken here and there. And there's a lot of negativity in Windows 11 in general. But still, if you, remove the minimum requirements, most people, I'm pretty sure that instead of like what we see right now, 60% on Windows 10, and 36% on Windows 11, would be probably at more than 50% now on Windows 11, and Windows 10 would probably be somewhere under 30% because it's the last year. People would have moved on, especially since Windows 11 is a free upgrade to Windows 10 users. So there's too much happening this year, and with the extended support of a year of Windows 10 that will be available, this is not a year of Windows 12 at all, and you won't hear anything about Windows 12 this year. That's, I'm pretty sure, off of Microsoft. If there is a change or switch to a new version of Windows that might happen at some point, it'll happen next year, 2026. But for now, 2025 is the year. Microsoft said it is the year of Windows 11. Yeah, we'll see. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.